Well, folks, I'm here at the transport station in Nashville, getting ready to ride the WeGo Music City Star all the way to Lebanon just to give an opinion of it, and I got a few things I got to do out there. So I'm gonna let everybody know what I think about this. This is the first time I've ever rode a commuter train in my life. That's one thing the United States really needs to invest in a little more is commuter trains, but I guess, you know, as long as the auto industry continues to lobby the government, I don't think that'll ever happen. But let's get ready and ride the train out there. Mount Juliet. Well, in Lebanon, I will say one thing. Nashville needs to invest in more of those train lines. One to Murfreesboro, one to Dixon, because that will take care of the congestion problem 100%. Highly recommend that ride. WeGo Music Star.